A big hello to my YouTube family. Welcome to Diva Classes. This is Divya Wadhwani, your English teacher. Today we'll be studying phrasal verbs. We'll be studying part 5 of this, and this is for class 11 and 12 ISC. This is previous year paper of 2014. Okay, we have already done many previous year papers और उनके solutions हम लोग ने किए. तो अभी हम लोग 2014 और 15 का previous year लेंगे for phrasal verbs and prepositions. तो क्या लिखा हुआ है? सबसे पहला इसमें क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है that you have to write fill in the blank with suitable words and you don't have to write the sentences. जिसमें सबसे पहला है we failed to agree dash a common plan of action. तो it will be we failed to agree on a common plan of action. जहां पर two people should have same opinion, वहां पर we use on. Okay, agree on. When I explained my plan of action to him, he did not agree with me. हमने बताया था कि person का जब आप use करते हो agree with person, agree to an idea. लेकिन अगर two people हैं तो it will be agree on. The principal does not approve of indiscipline. Approve of की उस चीज के लिए, indiscipline के लिए उनका positive opinion नहीं है. Then next one, I need his approval dash I can start the work. So it will be I need his approval before I can start the work. Then next one, an explanation about the evolution of species is given dash chapter 2. So it will be given in chapter 2. Okay, next part in this is the answers to these questions are given dash page 44. So it will be given on page 44. ठीक, chapter in chapter 2 and on page 44. One fine day he set dash on his adventurous trip. तो he set off या फिर he set out on his adventurous trip. As soon as he entered the room, he set dash his heavy bag. तो he set down. उसने अपना heavy bag नीचे रख दिया. Then it has been a long time dash I saw her. It has been a long time since I saw her. जब से मैंने उसे देखा है बहुत लंबा समय हो गया है. I have not seen Ravi dash 10 years. So I have not seen Ravi for 10 years. Okay, for is used for a particular period of time. अब हम लोग इसी का, ये था 2014 का, तो now we will be doing 2015 का पेपर. 2015 paper, the first question says that do you want to take dash every object from the box? So do you want to take out every object from the box? ये वो आंसर्स है जो खुद इसी पेपर की ही आंसर कीज में दिए हुए हैं. The plane must take dash before dark. तो the plane must take off before dark. उड़ जाना चाहिए in the sense. The children spoke dash a whisper as they were scared. So the children spoke in a whisper. Okay, next one. We must not speak ill about a person dash his back. तो ये I thought कि it would be on his back, but यहाँ पर it will be behind his back. ओके, मतलब ऑप्शंस नहीं दिए, कहीं कहीं पर दो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए, बट यहाँ पर इट विल बी बिहाइंड. ही डिसलाइक्ड द प्लेस सो मच दैट ही वॉक्ड डैश इन द मिडिल ऑफ द फर्स्ट एक्ट. तो ही वॉक्ड आउट इन द मिडिल ऑफ द फर्स्ट एक्ट. पहले एक्ट में वो बाहर भाग गया. वॉकिंग बेयरफुट डैश द ग्रास इज वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. वॉकिंग बेयरफुट ऑन द ग्रास इज वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. Next is the rule, this rule. Okay, this rule does not apply dash you as you are less than 18 years old. So it will be this rule does not apply to you as you are 18 year old, less than 18 year old. Then next one, you must apply dash the job immediately. So it will be you must apply for the job immediately. Then they have been living in Delhi dash 10 years. So it will be they have been living in Delhi for 10 years. For हम लोग तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दिया होता है, समय दिया है 1 घंटा 2 घंटा, ठीक है, पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए. और एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, मिसेस कपूर हैज बीन लिविंग इन चेन्नई डैश 2000. तो वो कब से रुकी है वहां पर? सिंस 2000. तो ये तब होता है व्हेन देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. अब एक बार हम जरा 7th वाला चेक कर लें. इट विल बी अप्लाई टू. ओके, तो दिस इज करेक्ट. So these were the 10 phrasal verbs or prepositions that we have done here. We'll be doing more soon on this. People who have any of the issues in short in the grammar portion, in the functional grammar, please do mention कि आपको कौन सा portion है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा problem हो रही है and what is the problem. Just specify it to me so that I can work more on it. उसके अलावा तो there are multiple questions that I have done on transformation. हाँ, tense वाला is left, तो tense one we will, tense paragraph जो होता है वो हम लोग करेंगे. तो tell me what problems you are facing so that I can work on it. Keep preparing for your exams. Best wishes. Thank you.